Ankita's Creations. If you are new to this channel, hi, I'm Ankita and I create videos related to art and craft, DIYs, paintings, vlogs and much more. I already have 200 plus videos on this channel. You can browse them and decide if you like my channel and subscribe if you like it. And yeah, now let's get started with today's video. So today's video is related to jute thread DIYs. I already have one more video related to jute thread DIYs and I have spoken more about jute thread particularly in that video. So I'll link that video in the description box below. You can check that out, and also an iCard would appear somewhere here. And yeah, now let's get started with this video.
Namaste from the voiceover Ankita. So first let's make this beautiful jute pendant. For this I am using Fevicol plus water. We need to take both of them in 50-50 ratio, like half and half. So how much Fevicol I have taken, I am pouring it that much of water and mixing it nicely. And now I am taking this jute thread and we will fold it like I am doing here from the center. So for the first few rounds मैं thread को circle pattern में ही fold करूँगी. But after that I'll slowly start pinching it from one side to make it kind of a leaf shape, like a drop shape as you can see here. और फिर उसके ऊपर मैं वो फेविकॉल एंड वाटर का जो मिक्सचर है वो लगाते हुए I'll start folding into that shape. It is a little bit of time consuming and messy process. Like फेविकॉल और पानी का मिक्सचर लगाओगे तो हाथ भी थोड़े गंदे होंगे और थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, और बीच बीच में भी you have to make sure कि शेप वापस सर्कल में नहीं कन्वर्ट हो जाए. So yeah, take your time and do it nicely. एंड में बहुत ही सुंदर लगेगा ये. Once I am happy with the size of my pendant, I'll cut the thread and will secure the end by applying a lot of glue mixture at the end, like you can see here. Apply it nicely to secure it properly. Don't worry, it will dry very clear at the end. और वापस से इसको अच्छे से एक बार शेप दे दो और अच्छे से जहाँ जहाँ पे भी ज़रूरत है you can apply glue and water. इस एकदम क्लियर सूखेगा, so don't worry about applying a lot of it. Apply as much as you feel the need to apply. Next I am going to flip over my plastic sheet and keep some weight on top of it ताकि ये जो शेप है ना वो थोड़ी सी सिक्योर हो जाए. I'll keep it like this for 24 hours and उसके बाद मैं इसको प्लास्टिक शीट से हटाकर ओपनली सूखने दूंगी, क्योंकि प्लास्टिक शीट में ग्लू बराबर सूखेगा नहीं. So it will take another 24 to 48 hours. For me it took that much. You can, if you are living in a hot climate, it might be less. So this is how it looks right now. Now let's decorate it. So I'm taking a round rhinestone and applying fabric glue in the center of my jute pendant and applying the rhinestone in the center, and then I'm taking some beads to attach on top of it. So here I've chosen some beads and I was trying if what looks nice, and I finally chose the yellow one. And to attach this bead to my jute pendant, I'm using this eye pin and I'm inserting into the bead first and then making a little bit of a hole into the jute pendant. आराम से hole हो जाएगा. Now we can twist the remaining wire of the eye pin and cut off the excess. So twist it nicely so that it gets locked in the place. And next we are going to be attaching a jump ring above the pendant जहाँ पे bead लगाया है उसके ऊपर, and then you can insert your chain or thread, whatever you want to insert, and your pendant is ready. I think it looks so elegant and raw and pretty. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. My next DIY, I'm making this beautiful jute coasters and I'm using this thick jute thread for that. To start making the circle, I'm using this Gorilla Super Glue in the center just to start forming the circle. मैंने ये इसलिए यूज़ किया ताकि center part जल्दी से stick हो जाए. अगर मैं वो फैब्रिक ग्लू से स्टार्ट करती तो मुझे थोड़ी देर वो सर्कल पार्ट को होल्ड करके रखना, दैट्स वाई. बट आई वुड नॉट सजेस्ट यूजिंग अ सुपर ग्लू विच ड्राइज वाइट. लाइक एट द एंड यू विल बी एबल टू सी कि मेरा सुपर ग्लू जो सेंटर में और एंड में मैंने यूज़ किया है वो थोड़ा वाइट सा ड्राई हुआ है. I covered it with the paint, but you can decide what you want to use. So next, for forming more circles, like forming the coaster, I'm using fabric glue, which is the best I think, and you can also use the method which we used in the pendant for making coasters. I just wanted to show you another method to do this, and yeah, make circles. It is a time consuming again, but very relaxing, and I really enjoyed making it. So yeah, you give it a try. Once I am happy with the size of my coaster, again मैं end of thread को बहुत अच्छे से secure करूँगी और इसको भी I'll let it dry for 24 to 48 hours. And now it's time to remove it from the base. So here I made a mistake. मैंने प्लास्टिक का ढक्कन तो लिया पर उसके ऊपर ये जो पेपर चिपका हुआ है वो मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया, तो थोड़ी सी डिफ़िकल्ट हुई मुझे इस कोस्टर को हटाने में. बट देन इट्स ओके, उतना भी ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्टी नहीं हुई. आफ्टर दिस मैं एजेस को थोड़ा सा अच्छे से ट्रिम करके उनको इवन कर रही हूँ और जो लूज थ्रेड्स बाहर निकल रहे हैं उनको भी कट कर रही हूँ. एंड जो नेक्स्ट कोस्टर मैंने बनाया वो मैंने सिलिकॉन क्राफ्ट मैट पे बनाया, तो बहुत इजीली निकल गया एज यू कैन सी. सो कोई भी प्लास्टिक के शीट पे या प्लास्टिक के ऑब्जेक्ट पे या सिलिकॉन मैट पे आप बनाओगे इजीली निकल के आ जाएगा. इसको भी आई एम ट्रिमिंग एंड नाउ आवर कोस्टर्स आर रेडी टू पेंट. सो हियर यू कैन सी द वाइट पैचेस व्हिच हैज अपीयर्ड बिकॉज ऑफ द सुपर ग्लू. So for painting these coasters, I am using washi tape to create a triangle design onto the coasters, and then using a acrylic gold paste and a round foam brush I will be making some round stamps onto the coasters like you can see here, mainly to cover up my white patches. But yeah, वो cover up करने के लिए I thought of this idea, but it looked good. So yeah, after painting it, I'll remove the tape and I'll do a white acrylic dotted light border onto this triangle, and then we will be done with our coasters as well. And this is how our coasters look. Please let me know in the comment section below which DIY you like the most from both of this DIY.
So that's it for this video. I really hope you all liked it. Please hit that like button if you do. उसी से I get to know if you all are liking my videos or not, and comment down below your thoughts on it. I really love to communicate with you all in the comment section below. I reply to each and every comment in the comment section below. So yeah, please leave a comment below and subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends and family. WhatsApp पे, Facebook पे please share कर दो. बहुत मेहनत कर रही हूँ, and let's reach to 50,000 subscribers as soon as possible. बहुत motivating लगता है जब लोग सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, कमेंट करते हैं और फिर अपने क्रिएशंस पे टैग करते हैं. दिस इज द ओनली फ्यूल आई वांट टू फॉलो माय पैशन. बहुत ही ज्यादा मोटिवेटिंग होता है सच में. सो या, सब्सक्राइब इफ यू हैवंट ऑलरेडी एंड आई विल सी यू सून. बाय. लव बीइंग क्रिएटिव. प्लीज सब्सक्राइब.